What's up? It is happy Tuesday, everybody. I couldn't remember what day it was because of Martin Luther King Day with us being off. Happy Tuesday. It is January the 17th. I am so not good with the date, y'all. So not good with the date. I'm in the kitchen now. We're getting ready to cook. Malik is washing off zucchini. I'm gonna do a pesto chicken. I'm gonna do a pesto chicken zucchini tonight. So we are just getting prepared for that. I should just use these noodles, but no, I want zucchini. I don't want. So we're just gonna do a salad. Oh, Malik, let's do garlic bread.
Yeah, get it out.
Yeah. That's about all that's going on. We're just getting prepared for dinner, and maybe this is not gonna work. It's not going to work. Yeah, I can't sit y'all up, so maybe I'll come back and kind of show you some things as we are getting it done. All right. So Malik is using the grinder thing to kind of make our noodles, zucchini noodles. So that's what he's doing right now. You putting pressure on it, pushing it down?
Yeah.
Make sure to put pressure so it can do it all the way to the end like you did the other night. Oh, just see if it'll do the other one. Yeah, nothing. Okay, so that's what he's doing. It's making it look like these little ones right here. So it makes it look like noodles. So yeah, and then it'll do it like these too, but we decided to do the noodles instead, so that's why you see just one of those. Maybe next time we'll do them curly like this. And you know what, we could do baked potatoes like that and fry them up. Ooh, that's a good idea. Pour it in there. Okay, so as you can see, we still have noodles. I just don't like how it cuts it off like that. I don't like that part of it, but yeah, it's still going to be delicious. And he's going to do the next one. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and start the chicken and get that all straight. And then I'll show you the finished results. So I'm just showing you my pesto chicken. I'm getting ready to add the chicken in. I should have added some avocado. And so I'm just adding the chicken in right now. This is zucchini noodles, guys. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my pesto. I'm just going to do 1 spoonful of pesto, or maybe a half of another, and stir it up. I might have to add 1 more spoon of pesto just to get it all over. I normally only use 1.5 spoons or so, but yeah. And then just keep stirring that up. Oh, this looks so good. It smells so good. And then what I'm going to add is some Parmesan cheese. I have too much oil in it. Let me get some of that oil out. Perfect. Got some of that oil out. Okay, it was just too much oil in there. I'm sorry, guys. Too much oil. And I think it came from when I poured the mushrooms in there. Just too much oil. Because now I've overcooked my zucchini noodles a little bit. But it's all good. We're gonna eat it anyway. See if I can get some more of that oil out. Okay. Okay. All right. But it looks really, really good. And now I'm just going to add some cheese. Mix that up in it as well. And there you have it. And then I'm just gonna let it sit and get kind of thick. And then we'll be ready to serve with garlic bread. And this is chicken pesto. So guys, look at our delicious food. This is avocado, pesto, chicken pesto, and then some garlic bread. It looks really, really good. And that's my son's plate. He got more than me as usual, but I don't care. I'm not gonna eat that. I'm gonna be full once I finish this. So that's our dinner tonight. So I wanted you guys to see. It's pretty easy. I didn't do it step by step, but it's a pretty easy meal to cook. So I just wanted you guys to see what we're eating for dinner. All right.